Hello everyone, my name is Eddie McLaughlin and I am a customer support representative here at Envisage Cloud. Today I'm going to take you through how to resolve one of the most common queries we get into our support team. This query is known as disconnected users. So what this is, it's an error message that pops up that prevents you from accessing certain areas of the program, such as amending a sales order, doing your VAT return or interest stat return, or maybe closing off a financial period, amongst other things. Now this can happen if Sage closes unexpectedly on a user. So for example, if the computer crashes, if the power goes out and the computer shuts off unexpectedly, and if your internet goes, things like that can cause the program to close unexpectedly. And this will result in Sage thinking you are still logged into the program when you are not. So when you go to reopen the program and try to access certain features, an error message will appear. Now the error message will look something like this. So say for example, if I go into Accounting System Manager and I go to Accounting Periods and I go to Maintain Accounting Periods, and I'm going to now try and close a period, and we will get the error message up on screen. So if I go Change Period Status, we can see an error message here that says unable to access the System Manager module because I am currently accessing the Stop module. So what has happened here is Sage has closed it unexpectedly on me, and it thinks I'm logged into the sales order processing module, and it will not let me then close my accounting period. Now this message can appear in different ways, so it might say unable to access any other module, and it might say because your colleague is currently logged in. So if it does say your current colleague is currently logged in, I would always double check with them that they are logged into Sage or not. So with this message then, we're going to click OK, and then we're going to click Close on the Maintain Accounting Periods. Now to resolve this issue and to allow me to close my financial period in this case, what I would need to do is go to Tools up in the top right hand side, and I would need to go to the option for User Login Status. A window then appears and we can see a tab called Disconnected Logins, and you can see here that I am in a disconnected login state, and it tells me the time and date that I got a disconnected login for. Now, in order to fix this error, all I need to do is highlight the user, or there might even be multiple users in this list, so you can highlight them all at one time and click Log Off down the bottom. Now, again, I would recommend checking with your colleagues before you do this, just to make sure they're not genuinely logged into the system. When you're happy, click Log Off. A message comes up saying, do you wish to remove the disconnected users? And you say yes. And then you will see the list is now clear. And now all I need to do is close this little screen. So then I will go ahead and go back into Maintain Accounting Periods. And I should be able to close by period as I was trying to do before. So just go ahead and click Change Period Status. And now, as I said, it should let me do what it needs to do. So then from here, I would just follow the steps as normal to close my period. And now, as you can see, the financial period is closed, and it allowed me to do what I was wanting to do in the first place. And as I said, that goes for things like amending sales orders, doing your VAT return, interest stat returns, and other areas of the program as well. Now, a helpful little tip for you, we can also access a step-by-step guide on how to do what I just did. So in order to do that, all you would need to do is press F1 on your keyboard whilst in the Sage program, and the In Product Help will appear. Then in the search bar, all you need to do is type in User Login Status and press Enter on your keyboard. And the first result here will be User Login Status. And if we click on this link, this will be the article explaining how to clear disconnected users. So it starts off explaining, as I've done at the start of the video, how this may happen. And then it goes on to show you how to go ahead and clear those disconnected users. So thank you for watching this video on how to clear disconnected users. I hope you have found it helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.